Hey guys, we got one that's going to divide this community. Do illegal immigrants have a Second Amendment right? This federal court case is about to decide that soon, and I want your take on this. Welcome back, everybody, to Guns and Gadgets, your premier source for Second Amendment news in our over 11 years now. Ugh, it's been doing it for a while. Thank you for your support. Could not have done this long without you. Thank you. Today, we're diving into a major case that could shape the future of gun rights in America. The Seventh Circuit U.S. Court of Appeals is hearing a case that asks a controversial question. Do illegal immigrants have the right to keep and bear arms? Well, I'll tell you how I think in a few minutes. Before we break this down, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you never miss an update on your Second Amendment rights. And a big thank you to CMMG for sponsoring today's video. More on them later. This case is USA versus Heriberto Carvajal Flores, or with the accent, Heriberto Carvajal Flores. It's out of Chicago, where Flores was arrested for possessing a firearm. Now, the federal government argues that his immigration status alone is enough to prohibit him from having a gun. Their attorney, the U.S. attorney, is Margaret Steindorf. She compared illegal immigrants to felons, saying that neither group is legally allowed to possess firearms. But Flores' attorney, Jacob Briskman, fired back, saying that undocumented immigrants, I'll correct that, illegal immigrants, are already granted First, Fourth, and Fifth Amendment protections when they establish substantial ties in the U.S., so why not the Second Amendment? Now, before anybody jumps to conclusions, let's talk about what Flores actually did. The government isn't just arguing over his immigration status. They say he was dangerous, and who knows, maybe Tom Homan will visit him at some point and send him home. But according to court records, Flores allegedly fired 7 rounds at a passing car and then tried to shoot another. Despite that, Briskman, his attorney, says his client's Second Amendment rights shouldn't be stripped just because of a criminal record. He cited the Supreme Court's recent U.S. versus Rahimi ruling, which is shaking up how courts look at gun prohibitions. This case isn't just about one man, it's about a much bigger question. If non-citizens are given free speech, due process, and protection from unlawful searches, then should they also have the right to keep and bear arms? I don't think so. I think you have to be a citizen here, which is why I'm going to tell you that most gun control advocates will argue that citizenship absolutely matters. But some pro-2A folks might see this as another attempt by the government to expand the list of prohibited persons who can't own firearms. Today, it's illegal immigrants. Tomorrow, they could use similar logic to disarm other groups. Now, the Seventh Circuit has taken this case under advisement, which means we don't have a ruling yet. But whatever they decide, this could set the stage for a major Supreme Court battle. What do you think? Should illegal immigrants be protected under the Second Amendment? Or should the government be able to restrict gun rights based on immigration status? If you're not a citizen of this country, you shouldn't have any of our rights. That's my personal belief. If I'm wrong, tell me why below. Drop a comment down there. I want to hear your thoughts. Before we wrap up, I want to give a huge shout out to today's sponsor, CMMG, makers of some of the finest tools and components on the market. If you're looking for high-quality, reliable AR platforms, CMMG has got you covered. Check them out. Use code GNG10 to save big. They have all kinds of colors, lengths, chambers. Check them out. CMMG is phenomenal. Thanks for watching Guns and Gadgets, y'all. If you got a value of any type from this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with fellow patriots. It absolutely helps us out in the algorithm, and I'm thankful that you'll consider doing that. I'll keep you updated on this case as it develops, so stay tuned. And until next time, stay safe, stay armed, and stay free, America. Take care.